Hey everyone, your name, here, and buckle up because today we're taking a close look at a revolutionary machine, the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona EV. Dodge is known for its roaring engines, but the times are changing, and the Charger is getting a shocking makeover. This isn't your grandpa's muscle car, it's electric, futuristic, and ready to blow your doors off in a whole new way. Let's get under the hood, well, virtually at least. The Charger Daytona throws out the gasoline engine for a powerful electric powertrain. There are two main trims, the R/T and the Scat Pack. The R/T packs a punch with 496 horsepower, enough to get your adrenaline pumping. But if you crave ultimate speed, the Scat Pack boasts a whopping 670 horsepower. That kind of power translates to neck-snapping acceleration, taking you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a jaw-dropping 3.3 seconds. Now, horsepower might be a familiar term, but with electric cars, range is king. The Charger Daytona doesn't disappoint here either. The R/T offers an estimated range of 319 miles, perfect for those longer road trips. Even the Scat Pack, with its focus on performance, delivers a respectable 260 miles on a single charge. Speaking of charging, the Charger Daytona is equipped for fast charging. Using a 350 kilowatts DC fast charger, you can juice up the battery from 20% to 80% in just 33 minutes. That's faster than grabbing a coffee break. Of course, for home charging, you can plug it into a level 2 charger, which takes around 6 hours for a full charge. Dodge hasn't forgotten its heritage with the Charger Daytona's design. It's a beautiful blend of classic muscle car looks and modern electric flair. The wide-body design gives it an aggressive stance, and the iconic Fretsonic grille gets a futuristic makeover with illumination. But here's a unique feature: the Charger Daytona comes in both 4-door sedan and, for the first time ever, a 2-door coupe version. So, whether you need practicality or pure head-turning style, Dodge has you covered. The inside of the Charger Daytona is a tech lover's paradise. You'll find a spacious cabin with a driver-centric layout. A large digital gauge cluster and a central touchscreen infotainment system keep you informed and entertained. Dodge hasn't skimped on safety either. The Charger Daytona comes packed with driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, making every drive a confident one. The Charger Daytona EV isn't afraid to break the mold. Here are some key things that set it apart. Muscle car heritage meets electric future. It delivers the thrill of a muscle car with the efficiency and environmental friendliness of an EV. 2 body styles, sedan for practicality, coupe for pure style. Unbeatable performance, with blazing fast acceleration and impressive horsepower, it's an electric muscle car unlike any other. The 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona EV is a game-changer. It proves that electric cars can be exciting, powerful, and downright cool. If you're looking for a muscle car that breaks with tradition and embraces the future, the Charger Daytona EV might just be your perfect match. So, what do you think? Is the electric muscle car a revolution you can get behind? Let me know in the comments below.